Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some effective tips and strategies for learning English. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve, these methods can help you on your journey. 1. Set clear goals. First things first, set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve, whether it's conversational fluency, writing skills, or passing an exam. Having specific goals will keep you motivated and focused. 2. Immerse yourself. Next, immerse yourself in the language. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or read books. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will feel. 3. Practice speaking. Practice speaking as much as possible. Find language partners online or join local conversation groups. Speaking with others helps build confidence and improve your pronunciation. 4. Use language apps. Cut to screen recording of language learning apps. Language apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise can be really helpful. They make learning fun and interactive, allowing you to practice vocabulary and grammar on the go. 5. Learn grammar and vocabulary. Don't forget about grammar and vocabulary. Use resources like online courses or textbooks. Focus on commonly used phrases and everyday vocabulary. 6. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Dedicate a little time each day to practice, whether it's 15 minutes of reading or listening. Regular practice helps reinforce what you've learned. 7. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're a natural part of the learning process. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep going. Here are some effective tips and strategies for learning English. 8. Set specific goals. Identify what you want to achieve, e.g., conversational fluency, writing skills, and create a timeline. 9. Build vocabulary. Learn new words daily. Use flashcards or vocabulary apps to reinforce your memory. 10. Study grammar. Focus on basic grammar rules. Online resources, books, and courses can help clarify concepts. 11. Be consistent. Dedicate time each day to practice. Consistency is key to language retention. 12. Embrace mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Learn from them. 13. Join classes or online courses. Consider enrolling in formal classes or taking online courses for structured learning. 14. Engage with native speakers. Use platforms like conversationexchange.com or language cafes to practice real-life conversations. 15. Take notes. Keep a journal of new words, phrases, and expressions you encounter. 16. Utilize social media. Follow English-speaking accounts, join groups, and participate in discussions to practice writing and comprehension. 17. Watch and listen actively. Pay attention to pronunciation and intonation. Try to mimic what you hear. 18. Set up a reward system. Reward yourself for achieving goals to stay motivated. By integrating these strategies into your daily routine. 19. Listening practice. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or songs to improve your listening skills. 20. Speaking regularly. Practice speaking with native speakers or language partners through conversation exchanges. 21. Writing journals. Keep a daily journal in English to practice writing and express your thoughts. 22. Flashcards. Use flashcards for vocabulary building, focusing on new words and phrases. 23. Watch movies/TV shows. Watch English films or series with subtitles to improve listening and comprehension. 24. Join a class. Enroll in an English language course for structured learning and interaction. 25. Engage in online forums. Participate in English-speaking forums or communities to practice writing and engage in discussions. 26. Travel. If possible, visit English-speaking countries to immerse yourself in the language. 27. Read aloud. Practice reading text aloud to improve pronunciation and fluency. 28. Language exchange. Find a language exchange partner to practice speaking and listening in real conversations. 29. Stay consistent. Make a routine and dedicate time each day to practice English. You'll make steady progress in learning English. So there you have it. Set goals. Immerse yourself, practice speaking, use apps, learn grammar, be consistent, and embrace mistakes. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more language learning content. Happy learning!